In this video, we are going to look at how we represent signed binary numbers using the 2's complement method. Unsigned binary numbers that we have looked at in other videos can only represent positive numbers, but a signed binary number can be either positive or negative. In this 2's complement approach to binary numbers, the most significant bit is used to indicate if the number is positive or negative. 0 indicates a positive number and 1 indicates a negative number. This is what the place value table for an 8-bit 2's complement binary number looks like. You can see that the most significant bit now has a place value of negative 128. Let's put a binary number in here and see how it works. Here is a positive number. This works exactly the same as an unsigned binary number in that we add up each value with a 1 under it. This binary number, for example, would be 84 in decimal. Now then, let's look at a negative number. To work out what number is being represented, we first start with the most significant bit. In this instance, it is a 1 because this is a negative number, so we write down the value for an 8-bit 2's complement number like this, which is negative 128. Note, just like with a positive binary number, we look at all the values with a 1 underneath them, which in this instance is 32, 8 and 4. Now we add these numbers to our negative 128. Negative 128 plus 32 is negative 96. Negative 96 plus 8 is negative 88. And negative 88 plus 4 is negative 84. So now we know that this 2's complement binary number represents the decimal number negative 84. Now let's have a look at how we convert a negative decimal number into 2's complement. Let's take the number negative 58. To work this out, we first write down the binary number for positive 58. Next, we're going to flip every bit. This means that every 1 is going to become a 0 and every 0 is going to become a 1. And then finally we add a 1 to this binary number and we are done. So that is how we handle signed binary numbers using the 2's complement method. Thank you for watching this video. If this video was useful, please leave a like and subscribe to see more computer science videos, and let me know any questions or requests for what I should cover next in the comments below.